In our previous video, boosting a page post is easy, and you could do it all from the comfort of your Facebook page. Now it is time for you to learn how to access the Facebook Ads Manager, from where you will be able to use a larger variety of advertising features. Start by clicking on the Options menu located in the upper right-hand panel from anywhere on Facebook, and then click on the Create Ads option. Now wait for Facebook to prepare your ad account, to connect your pages, and to finish getting everything ready for you. Now you will land on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. From here, you will be able to access all of the Facebook advertising features. If you haven't noticed already, the Facebook Ads Manager is optimized to make it easier for you to create ads right from the start. The main dashboard is organized in a way that will allow you to create an ad right when you need it. The first step is outlined above in the campaign section, where you can start by choosing to create new campaign or to use existing campaign. Right below the campaign selection section, you will find the What's Your Marketing Objective section, where you will be able to select your advertising objective. To the left is an outline of the steps involved in the ad creation process. From top to bottom, these are campaign, ad set, and ad. Let's take a look at the options panel located on the top bar. From right to left, you will find a Help tab, which you can click to get a help summary with tips about using your Facebook Ads Manager. Next to it is the Settings tab, which will take you to the Settings section. In the Settings section, you will be able to configure your ad account setup from the Ad Accounts tab. Your account setup includes your ad account ID, which can't be changed, your ad account name, your time zone, and your currency configurations. Your advertising purpose can be either set as yes, I am buying ads for business purposes, or as no, I am not buying ads for business purposes. You will also be able to configure your business address, business country, and tax ID number. In the Ad Agency menu, you will need to specify whether you are an agency buying ads on behalf of an advertiser or not. In this section, you will also be able to configure your account's attribution settings and to manage ad account roles. Now on the Pages tab, you will be able to check and manage your Facebook pages. On the Payment Settings tab, you will be able to see your current bills, to add a payment method, and to set up your account spending limit by setting your limit amount in the Account Spending Limit box. Finally, in the Notifications tab, you will be able to activate or deactivate all ad account notifications, to specify which ad email notifications you want to receive and what type of ad notifications you would like to receive directly on Facebook. Back on the Options panel on top, you will find two notification icons. The first one to the right is the Pages notification icon, and the next one is a Notifications icon. The account icon with your profile picture will allow you to switch between ad accounts in case you're managing more than one, to log out of your ad account, or to simply go back to your newsfeed. You will be able to use the search bar to find information and help topics about the Ads Manager, about your Facebook Ads account and campaigns by simply entering a keyword or set of keywords. By clicking on the Hamburger menu tab to the left, you can access the rest of the Ads Manager features. Sections in this menu include Plan, Create and Manage, Measure and Report, Assets, and Settings. Finally, you can click on the Facebook icon in the upper left corner to simply go back to Facebook's homepage. Please stay tuned, because we are going to show you how to create your first Facebook ads campaign using the Ads Manager in our following video. See you there!